everyone, so today I thought I'd do a nice girly makeup look. I just fancy playing around with some pinks today. We will see how that goes. I've just tinted my brows using the Tattoo Brow by Maybelline. I will probably have that video up after this one, so if you'd like to know how that went, obviously it didn't go too terrible. I will have that video up after this one. Don't think we actually need to do much to the brows actually, so I'm just going to jump straight into the eye look. I'm going to be trying out for the first time, this came today in the post, the P. Louise base. I've got my shade in number 1. Just going to give this a little shake up, and then I'm just going to place this on my eye. I swear things don't like sticking to my eye, and I think I put too much on. So I'm going to be using 2 palettes today. First one we are going to dive into is the Too Faced Chocolate Bonbon palette. I think you can still get this, but I'm actually not too sure. And first off, we're going to go in with Cotton Candy for our lid colour today. Not lid colour, crease colour. Right, so first off we're going to go in there with the Cotton Candy shade as our transition colour. And just place this in the crease. Next shade we are going to hop into is Totally Fetch. And we're just going to darken up the outer V and a little bit of that crease. So next we're going to go in with the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette. I am in love with this palette, and I'm going to take New Money and place this right on the lid using a P. Louise brush. Oh my god. That is beautiful. Oh, look at that. Stunning. Right, I'm going to go back in with the Too Faced Chocolate Bonbon palette and take that Totally Fetch colour and just darken up this outer V. So we're left with something like so. I am going to take a blender brush and just blend these edges out. Now I feel like that lid colour has to be intensified a little bit, so what I'm going to do is just take some of my setting spray and wet my brush. Go back in the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette. I'm going to take that New Money shade and see if this will help intensify it. That's looking better. Not looking as dull anymore. So to just highlight our brow bone, we're just going to take the Rollin in Dough shade from this palette and just highlight our brow bone. Then for liner today, I'm going to try and use this Essence Eyeliner pen in shade White, and just try and do a nice easy wing. Oh, it's not as pigmented as the black one. Right, I think we're going to have to ditch that idea because that is a pile of wank. Don't like it. So we're going to go in with a black eyeliner. This one's from the same brand, Essence. And just see if we can go. Oh, that would have been so cool if that worked. I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild one. I'm having a bad liner day. I blame that white liner that I went in to try. But we're just going to go in with the Rimmel Scandaleyes liner and just line our top line. God, it's such bad liner. Right, now we're just going to take our roller lash mascara and just coat our top lashes with these, ready for our falsies. Right, for our falsies today, I'm going into this XO Beauty, the Dramatic set. I'm thinking about taking Wonderlust on these ones, the bottom ones. No, I'm going to go in with Soulmate. I'll show you what they look like. I'm going to go in with these bottom ones down here. A bit more dramatic today. I probably am going to have to trim these. Oh, gotta get my scissors. Be right back. I'm going to apply these falsies off camera and I'll be back in a minute. Right, I have got the lashes on. They are really nice. I feel like they really open my eyes. So they were actually kind of a mare to put on. Not gonna lie. But at least it's covering up the hideous liner that we did today. So now onto our face. I'm just going to be using my Essence Prime Plus Studio Matte Primer thing. Whatever it's called. God, I'm not having a good day today, guys. I'm really not. And then for our foundation today, we are going to be using the Nars Natural Radiant Foundation. You'll know that I love this one. This and my Estee Lauder are my favourites at the moment. I need to try more drugstore brands, but I just find drugstore foundations just don't work as well as the more high-end ones. So if you've got a high-end drugstore foundation, that's like your holy grail, like you can't live without it, leave it in the comments because I want to try some more drugstore foundations. Just going to take another couple of plants. Can't believe that white liner sucked. For our concealer today, we're going in with the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. Just place this under your eyes. And just take your beauty sponge and blend this all out. Try and fix that eyeliner a little bit. I feel like that Louise face was creased under my eyelids. I know it wasn't supposed to go on there, but I put way too much on. Now to set it, I'm going to go in with my Too Faced Cocoa Contour Powder and just take that light shade there. Same brush, just to set all them powders and try to diffuse any creasing. I said set all them powders again, didn't I? Liquids. And then we're just going to go in with my Rimmel Stay Matte Powder in the shade Translucent. And just take this big fluffy blender brush, powder brush, and just set all that on my face. Now to just go back into the eyes for a moment, I'm going to take the Too Faced Bon Bon palette. Just take my crease brush And then just take that Totally Fetch colour from the palette and just run this on your lash line. Then I'm going to take Satin Sheets from this palette and just highlight out in a corner. Do that, whatever it's called. And I'm just going to try and cover up that lash band a tiny bit. And then what I'm going to do is take the black liner and I feel like just putting this in the outer third. And then just take our white kohl liner pencil and just place that on the remaining part. Now we're going to take our mascara again and just coat our bottom lashes. And then I'm just going to run some Gimme brow through my eyebrows. I'm going to take the light contour shade from this palette and just contour out our cheekbones. And then I'm going to take that light contour shade and contour out our nose. And then I'm going to take this Too Faced Natural Face palette. This is a new palette and I'm just going to take Sun Honey to bronze up our face. And I am going to use the blush from here. I'm going to use a Pink Wink as my blush today. And just go over there with my powder brush. And then I'm going to take this highlight shade from this palette called Starlight. I've never used this highlight before. And I'm actually going to try it on a fan brush. Because it's been a hot minute since I've actually used a fan brush. Don't know how I feel about fan brushes. No, don't like that. I'm going to take the same brush. Oh, that highlight's good. And then I am going to take the shade Lost in Love lip liner from Essence. Now, should we go all out and do Saint Germain? Or should we go a little bit cooler toned? You snob. I've never used Saint Germain on my channel yet, so I'm going to use Saint Germain. So there we have it, a nice girly Barbie inspired makeup look for you guys. Just some nice pinks used, not too over the top or dramatic in like any means. Like this look is totally wearable. Did have some fails in the video, like this liner is total wank and I would not recommend purchasing this because it's awful. And then it just made my eyeliner go really funny. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you would like and click that notification bell. And I will see you in my next video. Bye! That notification bell for all my future Maybe do a bit of white wing liner. So we'll be. Go on, focus. Focus on me. Focus on me. Does anyone else get like really thirsty when they're doing their makeup, or is it just me?
Me?
What?
No.
Yeah.